As part of IMOR's industrial pilot line, we have built an inspection station that uses a vision system to test 3D printed parts and find various production defects in an automated way. The parts, their defects, or the process is not the key focus of the cell. The key benefit of the pilot line is a simulated industrial environment or platform which allows to test different technologies, concepts and ideas in as close to the real industrial environment, minimizing risk for IMOR customers. The station integrates multiple technologies such as collaborative robotics, RFID traceability, computer vision and edge computing. It is an industrial sandbox which can be used to test different ideas and concepts that fall into the topics of human-to-machine collaboration, cyber-physical systems, digital thread, IIoT connectivity, machine-to-machine communications, and data analytics. One of the key focus areas being tested on the inspection station is digitization, with the integration of the system components using RAMI 4.0 architecture and OPC UA communication protocol. The idea is that any physical or digital assets can be represented by their data model and interacted via their asset administration shell component, which opens the door to machine-to-machine communications and seamless integration of industrial equipment. The investigations in the uses of the asset administration shell by IMOR point towards more cost-effective integration and interoperability options for customers considering digitization strategies in the future.